This quick guide shows how to buy shares of Ariana Resources Plc, listed on the LSE plc as AAU.L. Ariana Resources is a mineral exploration company focused on gold projects. This is educational content and not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you'll usually need to verify your identity with an ID and add funds before you can buy. Use the broker's search bar and type the ticker AAU.L to find the listing. Select the matching Ariana Resources Plc result to open the stock page. On the asset page, review the basic company profile and the price chart to confirm it's Ariana Resources Plc. Double-check the LSE listing and ticker AAU.L before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may queue or become a market order, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to learn more about the platform.